This is my bike check. This is my bike check. It's demolition open bars, 8.25 demolition grips, and the stem is a bit low stem, pretty nice. the the headset is a Shadow Conspiracy in white. My fork is a stock bicycle fork. And my friend's a stock frame that I got at the bike. It's pretty nice. It's 21 inches long. Top tier quality. I got a Pivotal C. It's a free agent Pivotal C with a Shadow Conspiracy post. Got shadow pedals. They haven't broken on me yet. It's pretty cool. And I got my stock cranks. Fit Lyco Lowdown, I think. I don't know. Fit low, I think. Sprocket in blue. Shadow Conspiracy chain. And
Back wheel.
my back wheel's a Ashley rear hub. Links to a Odyssey 95 rim white. My front wheel is a Odyssey rim laced to a brown Mary Kay front hub. Both of my wheels have white spokes, so it's pretty nice. It's like a wheel. And my tires are Odyssey 8K and Pass White, 2.25. And yeah, this is pretty much my bike check.